Hello everybody, welcome back to Doofs and Disney, and today we are talking Loungefly, specifically Loungeflies that I got for my birthday. But we're actually going to start with one that wasn't technically for my birthday. We ordered this back in January with some Boxlunch money, and it finally arrived in July. I'm going to open it for you. So this is Steamboat Willie. This was actually a Boxlunch exclusive, and we purchased it with Boxlunch money. We paid a total of $36.63 for this bag. It's got, obviously, Steamboat Willie on the front, and he's steering his little boat. On the inside, it's got a bunch of little musical notes. It does have a pocket on each side, and the Loungefly metal plaque is on one side. Typical Loungefly padded straps. It has the same print of the musical notes on the inside. Oh cool, it does have a back pocket. So it has a back zipper pocket on the inside. So fun. It's mostly a light gray, darker gray. Got a little brown, and there's one little pop of red and yellow on his shorts there. The inside lining is black and white too. So that's a fun one. Steamboat Willie. So that one wasn't technically for my birthday, but it came like the month before my birthday. But the rest of these were actually purchased for my birthday. Might have gone a little crazy. It's fine. Brandon picked this one out from Boxlunch. He wrote me notes too. I did like this one, but we got this one because we couldn't find the one that I really wanted. This bag is also a Boxlunch exclusive, and we actually got it on a pretty decent sale. The bag was $45.50, and I also got the little matching card holder, which ended up being $11 after the sale. Here she is. I was a little nervous about this one because online I couldn't tell if it was really pink, but in person it looks more of a coral color. I'm not a pink person. Little specks here and there. Great. Whole bag, not so much. This front pocket is actually see-through, but it's got Mickey Cactus, and he's not embroidered. That's just a little patch. You can see the stitching around the edge. This actually reminded me of Coronado Springs, which we were supposed to be staying at on our upcoming trip, but that's another video. Gold zippers and Loungefly zipper holder thing. I don't know what these are called. The lining on the inside of this one is super cute. It's got Mickey and Minnie and like boulders and kind of like a little town. Also, on the back there is a zipper pocket on the inside, and pockets on both sides of the bag. Padded straps. All the hardware is gold. Super cute. And this one has the matching card holder. So you've got slots actually on both sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 slots on both sides, and then a slot in the middle, which also has the same lining pattern as the bag. Super cute. So the next time we actually do stay at Coronado Springs, this is the bag. Moving on, this next bag is the bag that when I saw it, I actually audibly gasped, and I was like, oh, I need it. Hashtag needed it. Boxlunch exclusive. And we actually ordered this online before my birthday, and the order was canceled. So we had an upcoming trip, and our Boxlunch employees called the Boxlunch employees at the Florida Mall and asked them if they had this bag. They had 5 in stock, so we just had to wait probably about a week before we actually left for our trip. I think they still had all 5 when we got there. Here she is. And we actually have a video of when we actually went and got it, and you can watch that video up here. Super cute, black and white, retro, vintage Minnie Mouse. The front obviously is polka dotted, and it's kind of like a terry cloth material. Loungefly plaque on the front. Now, the only thing that I was only slightly disappointed with in this bag, the inside is just plain black. I get it in terms of the whole bag. I just like the ones with the lining on the inside, but it's fine. I still love this one. 2 pockets again on each side, and that same terry cloth material polka dot. The back also has polka dotted padded straps. I love the polka dots. This one does not have a zipper on the back on the inside. So you've only got the 2 pockets on the outside on the side and the front zipper pocket here. But it's still too adorable. I can't wait. I think I'm going to take this one on our next trip, which is celebrating Walt Disney World's 50th. I'm so excited. So I have 2 more. I was a little torn because these are not cheap. So I was going to wait and get one of them when we went back, and Brandon's like, "Nope, get it now because it might not be here," and that's true. So I went ahead and got both. So one is the purple wall. Purple is my favorite color. Thanks to Instagram, social media, the purple wall is a thing. And this is the new, more galactic purple wall pattern. Front pocket as normal, and this one has a Mickey head silhouette as the zipper pull. Silver hardware all over this one. On the inside it has more of the galactic purple wall pattern with little Mickey head silhouettes. Pockets on the outside, on both sides. That pattern comes all the way around to the back of the bag. Padded straps as usual. Plaque in purple. And this one actually says Disney Parks Loungefly. 2 zipper pulls. This one also does not have a zipper on the inside back. Super cute. Lining all the way through. Love this one. I've actually used this one already. And the last one was the Haunted Mansion. We saw this one when we were walking around World of Disney in Disney Springs. They had a ton of them at the time that we were there. I did a lot of searching to find the right print placement because all of them are slightly different. So I had to get the 3 hitchhiking ghosts right here on the front. Disney Parks again on the plaque. Front pocket, same 2 pockets on the outside on both sides. And this is an all over print. Padded black straps, and as you see I have not used this one yet. Silver hardware. The pattern on the inside is really cute. It's got hitchhiking ghosts, Madame Leota, little bats. Super cute. And this one actually has another plaque on the inside because this is a pop by Loungefly. Sadly, no zipper. Also, as we were perusing World of Disney, I found the matching wallet to this. I do not have said matching wallet because the wallet was $50 and I just couldn't. This is a little much. Sweet baby Jesus, why is this $50? It was the same pattern on the outside. I'm pretty sure it had the same pattern on the inside. Maybe one day I'll find it on sale. But for now, I'm happy with just the back. That was my haul for my birthday. Out of these that I got just for my birthday, my favorite I think is maybe Minnie Mouse. She was so cute. She was very hard to get. And maybe next favorite would be, purple's my favorite color, so probably the purple wall. And then maybe Hitchhiking Ghosts. And then I'm calling this my Coronado Springs bag. Maybe, is that the order? I don't know. Or maybe, no. I just love them all. I can't decide. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Do you have a slight Loungefly obsession? Or is your obsession something else? Disney pins? Disney mugs? We may also have those in our house too. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite or which one maybe I should get next. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and until next time, remember, no capes.